Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please do subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, so on today's video, I'm going to do unboxing. Look at this. It's taller than me. This is live plants guys. So let's open.
Open sesame.
Yeah, so I can open it halfway. There. So I'm going to
Pull it from
wow.
the pot.
Oh wow, this is very tall guys. Oh, amazing.
And you know what it is?
So this is cherry.
No. It's green Gage.
This is plum guys.
Green Gage.
Green Gage Plum. This is the one that I always wanted because before we have a tree of this, but unfortunately we have it cut down because of some what do you call that? It's very close to our house, and the roots it's like
Yes.
going underneath the foundation of the house.
They said could grow subsidence.
Yeah, and it goes subsidence, so we have it cut down, and then now I want a new one because I love green Gage. It's very nice guys, so I'm checking if it's healthy. Yes, there
I
is.
hope it is. It's quite expensive.
Yeah, it's okay, but this thing is dry, so that should be okay. I can cut that down, but
Don't
there.
cut anything just yet.
And this.
In case it comes back.
Yeah, so it's okay, and yeah, so if I plant this in the soil, this won't grow taller because they already cut the main. So only the other branches. I can make this espalier like this.
Huh.
So it's nice. So that's good. I'm so happy. Let's check this. Oh, there's a snail.
Oh.
Okay, so this is good. I'm checking. So I will make a video guys when I plant in the ground. I will plant this in the ground. So that's nice. So thank you guys for watching. So this is my new green Gage, and
You're going to do that as well in the same video?
yeah, okay. So okay guys, so this is the first unboxing, live plants unboxing. So I'll put it on the side. Okay. So this is another plant guys. So let's unbox. What's this selling?
That's another plum. I can't remember the name. I should have brought down the receipt.
So it's okay. So this is another plum guys. So let's see. Maybe I can pull it up like this.
Careful in case it comes out of
I
the pot.
can lift it up, darling. Could you lift it up for me? Could you lift it and put it down there?
Are you sure it's safe to just
Yes.
pull it?
Yes, it's a bit heavy, so it's fine. Yeah. Yes.
Domestica Victoria. Oh, it's Victoria Plum.
Also, it's Victoria Plum.
It didn't say Victoria. Maybe they sent the wrong one. There's paper inside, but there's soil as well.
But the picture, it doesn't look like Victoria.
The thing, it doesn't say Victoria.
Yeah. It doesn't look like Victoria, so that is different. So this is
That is dwarf tree.
the Mystica Victoria. So it's good. This is with the leaves. The other one is a skeleton. So
Careful, because there will be soil falling out of the boxes.
yeah, because this is autumn now, guys. That's why the other one there's no leaves, skeleton, and this one maybe this is evergreen, like the leaves stays on. Let's see, but it's good. This is with green branches, so that's very yeah. So that's very good. Okay, guys. So okay, guys. So this is the two live plants unboxing for today. Both are plums. So thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Thank you. Tara. Bye. Love, love, love.